This video is kindly sponsored by PCB Way. Thank you, PCB Way. Hello! Today we have a package from Australia, and this is very, very special, and I say that a lot, I know, but this time it actually is. I bought this a while ago in I think it was an Indiegogo campaign, and this is the new breadbin case for the C64. And yeah, I don't quite remember what color I got, so let's take a look inside. It says funded with Indiegogo. As far as I know, there are only 660 cases in existence. Maybe they did a few more, but that is the actual number on Indiegogo when they reached their funding goal. Not sure what I paid. I will look that up and put it down here somewhere. Yeah, so this has actually brass inserts. You have anti-yellowing plastics, and it should be pretty much a one-to-one copy of the original breadbin case. So let's take a peek inside. The box is very, very nice. Already have a keyboard lying here, so we'll take a look at that. So let's see, we have some paperwork for Batchman, Retro 8-bit shop, retrobatchman.com, not sure who that is or where. We have Another Legend Will Return in 2025. Not sure what that means. There's some Bluetooth dongle, not sure. We have some kind of thread. And we have stuff. Oh, I have the clear case. Interesting. So there's a clear side bracket with an actual print. There's a little box. Let's take a look at this box here. What's in here? We have a case badge with a power LED thingy. We have a sticker, so this is number 565. Nice. We have what looks like an LED, some screws, and feet in clear and in black. Okay. Let's take that out. Put that back in. That side. Here is the main attraction in a way too big bag. And yes, that is a very clear case. That is not just transparent, that is clear. You can see my face through it. Interesting. It feels very, very, very nice. And if you have already seen the video by Mark from the Retro channel, you know that these cases seem to have a common fault, and that is they have a scratch right here. You can see it if I move the thing a bit. It's hard to see. There you can make it out. And some not so glossy parts here. And yeah, it's not perfect. It's not a perfect case. There are scratches up here, scratch here, stuff here. I mean, it is a clear case, so you pretty much had to expect that at some shape or form. I didn't expect a perfect case because that's almost impossible. And I know how much work went into these cases, and these guys delivered on the spot. So they really, really took care to deliver before Christmas. My package reached me a little bit after Christmas, but that is because it had to travel around the world from Australia to Germany. And there are these inserts for the screws. It all looks very, very nice. So let's put a board in, let's put a keyboard in, let's see how it looks. I have this blue board here, which I showed in a different video, and I still have to repair this. picture is very shaky. Not sure if that is on camera. Yeah, I still have to repair this, but we will use this for now in this case, just to see how it looks. That could be very nice, and it lines up perfectly. So we have some screws. We have to put in the side bracket, of course. That looks about correct. Okay, so that's in. These are the different feet that you can use. There's a power LED, which we'll use in a second. Let's check the screws. There are shorter screws. I assume these are for the board. Very nice. Yeah, that's great. We'll just use 2 screws for now, because I know I have to fix the board still. Yeah, that's in there. Nice. Let's put in the keyboard, which goes in here. Right, we have the keyboard screws. Let's have a look at today's PCB Way project, which fits to this nice case here. And that is a mechanical keyboard for the C64. So I ordered one, and it's called I think it's a Bling board. And yeah, it's not here yet. And I found this project on PCB Way's shared project website. And it's basically a PCB with a ribbon cable and a bit of logic, and that logic is needed, you can see it here, for the shift key, so that you don't have to have a latching shift key. And it just consists of, I think it's a 555 timer, yep, and a 74 HC 4066D logic here, and then we have some caps and some resistors, so it's pretty easy. And of course, mechanical switches. The main problem with this keyboard is that you also need this aluminium casing for it, where the keys sit in. You can see that in this picture here. So the PCB sits a little lower than the keys. And I think I will order this PCB and I will try to do a 3D printing part of this aluminium thing. Not sure if it's sturdy enough, but it could work. And I will definitely try to do that, because then you could pretty much order this whole thing on PCB Way and would get a perfect keyboard. So I will add some of these. I will assemble these myself. You could assemble them here, but I will assemble these myself. Did it add that now? Okay. So we have a 2-layer board, but let's see if I take 10 pieces. How much is it then? It's just 20 more. So if you find some friends and family who also want to have one, you could order 10 for 20 bucks more and have 10 C64 mechanical keyboards. And I want my silk screen to be, white is good. And the solder mask, yeah, maybe red. White and red. That's red. Leave all the rest and go to save to cart, I think. Okay, now you have to wait for the sales team to audit this order, and when they are done you can just go to proceed to checkout and order it. And you will find a link in the description below to give you, I think, $5 off your first order. Cool project, a Mac Board 64 by Mountain Buffalo. Back to the video. Okay, let's put in the LED. I think first we have to put in the label. Let's try it like this. Put this in first. And then push. That's in. I should probably have removed the protective cover first. Hopefully it works. And this one goes on the other side. Nice. That looks pretty good. Pretty good. So back to the LED thing. Let's see, LED. Here it is. This through like this. Yeah, looks pretty good. Where's our? Up there it is. Let's put that in and that in. Oops. Crackly crack. Nice. Let's put some more screws in. Also looks nice from the bottom. Still have to decide which feet. I think I will go with the clear ones. Or do I go with the black ones? I'm not sure yet. Black could be nice too. Let's check. I think I will go with the black ones because the screws are black. It's a nice contrast to the clear case. So there were many different colors to choose from. I just seem to have opted for the clear one because I have some cases already. Sticker here. Okay, nice. I mean, this is it's rattling in here. Oh, one of the ICs fell out. Great. Oh no, it's one of the heat sinks. No problem. So yeah, not sure about the keyboard, but that case looks pretty cool. Pretty cool. So I have the mechanical keyboard, which should come in at some point in time. Should have been delivered already, but there were some problems with the Indiegogo campaign, or with the manufacturing of that keyboard stuff. But the case is, wow, very nice. And that's it from the side. It's also completely clear, which I totally dig. Yeah, it looks very good. Not sure if there are actually cases to have right now or to order, but I will put a link in the description and you can see. But that looks really good. I wish that the keyboard plastic would be clear too, so that you could actually see the board a bit more. So you have to look like this. I mean, it works, but it's not perfect. So I'm very happy with the purchase. It's really great. It's really great, and they delivered in time and budget, which is a rarity on Indiegogo. So with this and a new board and a new keyboard, you could actually make a real new C64 in 2025. Even though I don't have all the parts for that, like the VIC-2 Cavalry, but I think we're at a point where you can actually build a C64 completely from new parts. I'm not sure what's missing. I think we have all the parts now. We have a SID, we have a PLA, we have the VIC. I think we also have replacement CIAs, even though they are a bit expensive. We have the keyboard, we have the keys, we have the board. Yeah, I think we pretty much have everything. We have the ROMs, which Mark from the Retro channel did. Yeah, so pretty much everything you could use for a new C64 is available. And you could make complete new C64 in 2025, which is pretty awesome. And that will ensure that this machine lives on way beyond its original intended lifespan, which it might have exceeded by 30 years already. So yeah, that's this video. Tell me what you think. Tell me what color you would have gotten and what you think about the very clear case and the combination with these keys and the blue board. I see you in 2025. Cheerio!
Thanks again to PCB Way for sponsoring this video. If you need any PCBs, pre-assembled PCBs or 3D printing, please use the link in the description below.
Thank you for watching Retro is the New Black. If you are new to the channel, please like and subscribe. If you like the video, please share. Every like, share, and comment helps a lot. Until next time, bye-bye.